how it's gonna go, I'm telling you.
Yeah. And actually, you may have to steel frame that and then Durock it or something because I think it's supposed to match. It's supposed to be symmetrical. We just have to check. I can do yeah, this is supposed to line up with that door. It's close. Maybe not 100%, but
Oh, this and this?
no,
Or
like
they're
this
supposed
is,
to be equal distance?
this is supposed to line up with that door. If it doesn't, then we just set the door closer this way and stucco there, you know? And I think from the inside, you have that return and you should have another return there.